Wow, it's so green and alive. I wonder what's deeper in.
Whoa, this jungle is huge. Okay, the river should be this way. I think I'm getting it.
The first rule is to stay aware of your surroundings.
Okay, stay aware.
Good. Now, see this vine? It could be a trap.
Whoa, this jungle is huge. Okay, the river should be this way. I think I'm getting it.
Whoa, a tiger. Easy now, stay calm. Incredible. Don't move.
Listen, the drums are getting closer. We need to press on. Follow me. This plant looks unusual. I wonder if it's safe. The red veins are striking, but is it toxic?
Okay, let's learn some English by the campfire. Campfire. The campfire keeps us warm. I got it! Hello, ready to practice English? Yes. How do you say árbol? Tree.
And hoja?
Leaf. Very good.
Welcome to the jungle. Let's learn to navigate. See the moss? It grows on the north side of trees. Now, confirm with your compass.
Let's take a break here.
Good idea. My feet are killing me.
I'll keep watch.
Remember that vine swing? I thought we were goners.
You were screaming the whole way down.
Yeah, but we found the ruins.
And these stories.
The jungle quest begins amidst ancient ruins. Hidden deep within, treasures await the bold. Hello, my name is Savala.
And I am Lyra. It's nice to meet you.
I'm Finn, how are you? We are fine, thank you. Welcome everyone, this trail is alive with wonders.
It's so beautiful.
Those are heliconias, a favorite of hummingbirds. Welcome! Learn to ID animals by sound. Hear that roar? It's a natural pipit. An elephant. Keep listening.
Hold on, what are these tracks? They're fresh. Something big came through. This is it. The hunt begins.
Wow, this jungle is amazing. What are these plants?
These are broadleaf plants. The veins help with water flow.
Cool. Can we touch it?
Hi, let's learn jungle survival words. Food. We can find it from vines. Water. Rivers and streams have it.
I need to find shelter now. That tree might work.
Welcome! Let's learn jungle words. First, vine. See the long, twisting stems? Next is canopy. It's the top layer of trees. Hold on tight!
We can make it. This is amazing.
Almost there. Get ready!
Wow, it's amazing. Are there dangerous animals?
Yes, but they avoid us. Watch the path for snakes.
Got it. And the plants?
Some are healing, some harmful.
Hey, what's that strange plant? I've never seen it before. Let's be careful. It looks magical. Should we touch it?
In the jungle, stay aware of your surroundings. Always carry water and walk on clear paths. And watch out for wildlife to stay safe.
The jungle is beautiful. Yes, but say the jungle is beautiful.
The jungle is beautiful. How was that?
Perfect!
Wow, these trees are massive. Hope I don't get lost. Onward.
Shh, listen, the jungle is talking.
Wow, what is that chirping?
That's a bird, and the buzzing, insects.
Cool!
Whoa, a rainbow, it's incredible. Wow, look at the colors, this is amazing.
Keep up, team. The ruins are just ahead. Wow, the jungle is incredible.
Look at all the vines!
Exactly. Stay close.
Hello, let's learn some phrases.
Okay, like what?
Say hello in the local language.
Hello.
Perfect.
Shh, listen, the jungle is talking.
Wow, what is that chirping?
That's a bird, and the buzzing, insects.
Cool! Wow, look at that frog. Its colors are incredible, so vibrant.
Serene, peaceful. Tranquil, quiet, and peaceful. Act to involve deeply.
Wow, these are incredible. I've never seen anything like them. Look at this petal structure, it's perfect.